Hello everybody, it's Laura Lyons here. I am making a video today to show you how to complete an activity in Seesaw. So as you saw on a previous video or from conversations with me or your child's teacher, your child will be doing some independent responding on Seesaw to enrich and generalize some of the skills they've learned in the classroom in previous years or during remote learning this year. So I wanted to show you what Seesaw looks like when you log in and how to help your child or teach your child to respond using the platform. So as you can see, I'm logged in as student Paula. So when you log in with your child, you'll see this platform. They'll have a journal, which is just a record of all the great things they've done. You'll have activities. You'll have activities to do, activities that are in draft or in progress, and another record of all the activities that your kiddo has done. So when you log in and you want to complete an activity with your child, you'll select to do on the right side of the menu, and you'll pick the activity. So let's go ahead and do sport ball sorting. In order to respond to this activity, I'll click Add a Response, which will take me to the activity itself. Now, what I may want to do for myself and to help my child be successful while doing this activity is click View Instructions. These instructions tell us to use the tool, the Select tool, to sort the balls in the correct bucket. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this task. And remember, if your child's using an iPad, they can use their finger to drag these items. Now we're sorting. Of course, when you're working with your child, you're going to praise them enthusiastically when they are doing this correctly. If they happen to get one wrong, you're going to want to model and say, oh, that's a baseball. We're going to put that down here with the other baseballs. Continuously praising your child for attending and responding correctly. Now this is a little bit of a longer activity, so I may want to take a break from this activity. If I want to do that, I'll just hit the draft button, and that will allow us to keep the activity in the draft. And then if I wanted to, I could again go back to the activities and see that I can either finish that response or move on to another activity. But right now, I'm going to finish this response. Whoops, I used the wrong tool. If I do something wrong, all I need to do is hit the back button here and it'll take us back. I want to select that tool for selection as it told us in the instruction and continue with my sorting. Now remember, the activities that we're asking your child to do, they've mastered as skills. So if I gave this to a student, they would have mastered sorting by color and shape in the classroom. But I'm allowing them to generalize and work and enrich and maintain the skill independently. Now, as you can see, I've sorted all the balls into different buckets. I'm all done. All you want to do when your child has done the activity is click the green check, and this will upload this activity to your student's journal and also allow your teacher to see the great work that your child did. As you can see, the ball sorting activity is no longer in my to-do section for the week, and it's right there in the done section. You can also see that completed activity in your child's journal, and this will allow your teacher to comment on this activity and let your student know they did a great job. So again, completing an activity in Seesaw, you're going to go to the to-do, the activities section, which is the center. To do, when you want to add a response, click Add Response. This activity, let's view the instructions. We'll sort the letters and numbers, and then if we want to, we can click and read the numbers as we say them. Let's see. I'm going to sort by numbers and letters here. Remember, you're going to be sitting and facilitating this with your students maybe the first couple times they do this. So if they error here, we're going to model the correct response. I'm going to put this in draft because I'm not quite done. And as you can see, when we go to activities, it'll be in that in progress. Let's finish this for us. I'm all set. When I'm completed the activity, I push the green check. That activity goes into our journal and also into our done section of the activity. All right, thanks everybody.